Students, your NEET exam, 2021 exam is after 20 days. You wrote your mock test today, and now you have to make sure that you don't become anxious, you don't feel the pressure of things. And I'm recommending three very, very important things that you should follow for next 20 days. First, 7 hours of sleep daily. It is not going to be easy because there is a lot of anxiety inside you right now. I will give 2-3 advice. Read some novel, and novel should not be very interesting. After 1.5 page, novel will fall down. You'll hopefully fall to sleep. Other option is, if you're sleeping alone, if you're used to sleeping alone, sleep with your father or your mother, and hopefully you'll be able to sleep properly. Tell them that you want their help to sleep properly. That is first thing. 7 hours of sleep is extremely important for you to be alert and mentally and physically fit, to not get into unnecessary pressure. A lot of pressure, anxiety is going to come out of not sleeping properly. Second thing, don't get up before 9 a.m. and don't sleep during the day, because your NEET exam is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now don't tell me, sir, my exam center is 200-250 kilometers away. Obviously then you have to wake up early and go towards the exam center. But even in that case, my advice is going to be, reach one night early to the place where the exam is, and then get up after 9 a.m. Very, very important that you make your body clock as per great performance between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. If you get up at 9 a.m., then you will get freshen up by 10, have some light food, do some quick revision, and after that go into the exam after drinking water. You don't have to fill yourself up because you don't want to be sleepy. And definitely don't sleep during the day. Very, very important. Third thing, 10 to 12 hours of studies daily is sufficient. Don't try to study for 16 hours, 18 hours. You will unnecessarily feel the pressure. So if you have not completed the syllabus, very important that you spend as much time as possible in completing the syllabus, right? Every extra chapter completed means extra 2 to 3 questions that you would be able to attempt, and that will help your NEET score. If you have completed the syllabus, then this is my advice. Today is 22nd August. You wrote the mock test. Next mock test 29th August. Next mock test 5th September. And after that 12th September is your NEET exam, right? I would recommend between 3 to 5 mock tests. 3 to 5 mock tests. That is enough. 3 is enough, but if you want to write more than 3, I don't think you should do more than 5. And what you need to do, so for example, you gave the mock test today, you found out your weak areas, spend majority of, you can study for around 200-250 hours. In remaining time, spend majority of the time fixing weak areas, the weak areas which you know, where you feel uncomfortable, where suddenly you start feeling, oh my God, chapter from this question from this chapter has come, I'll not be able to. You know your weak areas, you have studied enough. Focus on your weak areas. You'll find out weak areas again. Focus on your weak areas. Find out weak areas. Spend majority of the time on weak areas. 10 to 12 hours of studies daily is sufficient. So students, these 3 things, please try and implement these daily. Very, very important that you don't feel the pressure. You don't feel the anxiety. It is going to come. And this is the way you manage your daily schedule. Hopefully this video is useful for you. I want promise from you. You are not going to feel the pressure. You are going to try your best to remain calm, to remain peaceful, to remain mentally and physically fit. All right, students.